What's the meaning of condensed milk? Condensed milk. Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Condensed milk. Condensed milk is a thick and sweet dairy product made by evaporating most of the water content from regular milk and adding sugar to it. The resulting mixture has a caramelized flavor and is a popular ingredient in many desserts and confections. It is commonly used as a topping for pancakes, waffles, and toast, as well as in recipes for fudge, toffee, and ice cream. Its thick consistency also makes it suitable as a substitute for cream or milk in various recipes. Overall, condensed milk is a versatile ingredient that adds richness and sweetness to many dishes.